Hello, today we are in Bled in Slovenia for the first workshop of the E2mC project. It's been an excellent opportunity to exchange with the community our views on the use and the exploitation of social media in emergency management. Discussing with practitioners, with scientists and technology providers has been particularly fruitful to get the feedback on the E2mC witness platform and the achievements that we have been having so far. This is food for thinking for the next phase of the project.
Crisis Center is an authorized Copernicus EMS user. I'm looking forward to the results of the E2mC projects, how they can implement the force of the social media so the maps will be in the future more useful for the emergency services.